Hey guys, this is Rendering Artist and today I'm going to show you how to add realism in your Lumion scene for photorealistic renderings. We are not going to talk about the rendering effects, but we are showing you today some mistakes that most beginners do. So if you want to know what that mistakes are, watch this. Here is the first thing to do. Remove the horizon from your render view. It means to add some landscape objects to hide the horizon, so your renders will only focus on your main view. After adding trees in scene, add some clusters from object library and give some height to surrounding environments from landscape option. Give some height to surrounding environments from landscape option by clicking on this triangular thumbnail and adjust the brush size and speed. You can do that. By giving contours in the scene, you get the variation of height in horizon. Here, you can see the difference in the render with the horizon and the render without the horizon. The second and most important thing you have to do is the scale variation in your landscape objects. Like I placed 3 trees here and 3 of them having same height, and that is the Lumion default setting. Here you can improve your landscape by pressing V on the keyboard, so you get 50% scale variation in your objects. The scale variation don't find any fault in your scene. So when you give trees of the same sizes around the house, the shadows will look something like this. And when you change the scale of each tree, you can see the difference. This small difference makes the best render in Lumion. And if you don't do this, the focus of the render image will shift on some other thing. Number 3 is to add lights. If you're creating a morning scene or afternoon, the lighting part is very crucial. The lights on the exterior and in the interior space give the sense of liveliness in the render. For example, this is the render in which we add lights and illuminate it, and the second one without any exterior and interior lights. Fourth thing is very simple, but most people don't do this. That is to assign your grass material as Lumion landscape and switch on the grass tab in the landscape option, and just add some leaves, stones, flowers, whatever you want, and change the grass type and see which is suitable for your type of project. This is the last tip but not the least, that don't forget to give the weathering effect to each and every material by their exposure to nature. After assigning all the material weathering effect, the image will look something like this. In this image, we can actually see the texture of the wall because of the weathering effect. So that's it for today. We have some more tips to introduce you, but before that, do all the corrections in your Lumion model and send us on the Instagram. If you feel the video is helpful to you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.